Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn on auto-generated captions on Reels and videos in Instagram. Auto-generated captions can be a useful tool for those who are hard of hearing or have difficulty understanding audio. By turning them on, you can ensure that your content is more inclusive and accessible to a wider audience. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture icon from the options below. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the upper right corner to open a menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. It is usually the first option. Scroll down to Your Account and Media and tap on Accessibility. From there, tap on Captions. If Captions was turned off, tap on it to turn it on. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on auto-generated captions on Reels and videos in Instagram. This can help make your content more accessible to those who may have difficulty understanding audio. It's worth noting that auto-generated captions may not always be 100% accurate, so it's important to review them and make any necessary corrections. However, they can still be a helpful tool for improving the accessibility of your content. In conclusion, Instagram's accessibility features are designed to make the platform more inclusive for all users. By turning on auto-generated captions, you can help ensure that your content is accessible to a wider audience. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thank you for watching.